is a line which is passing through origin and it makes an angle 30 degree. This is another line passing through a point 4, 0. This is x-axis, this is y-axis, this is origin 0, 0. Okay, OA is one line and AB is another line. Are you getting me or not? There are two lines that I have drawn. One line is OA passing through origin making an angle 30 degree with x-axis, and another line is AB parallel to y-axis. Now my question is what are the coordinates of A? Find coordinates of A. Find coordinates of A. Could you follow the question? Yes, find the coordinates of A. Say, being as I am saying that AB is a line parallel to, since AB is parallel to y-axis, AB is parallel to y-axis means x coordinate of A, x coordinate of A is 4, right? But so this point must have x coordinate 4. We now need to know the y coordinate of this, as because coordinates of B refers that this is at a distance 4 unit from origin, right? So then in triangle ABO, that is ABO, this right angle triangle, we can write down tan 30 degree. Tan 30 degree is y by 4, right? And tan 30 degree is 1 by root 3, that is equal to y by 4. From so this part you can write down y is equal to 4 by root 3. So the point A is concerned, its y coordinate is 4 by root 3, but x coordinate is 4. So both the coordinates are 4, 4 by root 3. Is that okay? 4, 4 by root 3. Fine. Now going to the next one. Going to the next question. This is origin 0, 0. There is a point A, let it be 6, 0. Let P be a point. P be a point on x-axis. P be a point on x-axis if P is on x-axis such that OP is to PA, that is 2:1. Position of P is referred in section ratio, that is P is a point in between O and A, and how is it dividing the segment O and A, that is the position of P suggests that it divides OA in the section 2:1 ratio. Okay, so now find the equation of the line. Find the equation of the line passing through P and cuts equal y-intercept as that of its x-intercept. I hope you understand the term x-intercept and y-intercept. I discussed in the last class. I explained about the x-intercept and y-intercept of a line, right? I haven't got any reply from you till now. First of all, we should confirm the coordinates of the point P, as because it is said that point P divides O2A in 2:1 ratio. So that means if OP by PA, if this ratio is 2:1, right? So this implies that OP will be 2/3 of OA, isn't it? OP will be, as because position of P is such that OP to PA is 2:1, so that means OP will be 2/3 of OA. So this is 2/3 into 6. OA length of O to A is 6, as because coordinates of A given as 6, 0. So that means this is 4. So OP is 4. So that means I can consider coordinates of P as 4, 0. Right? Now, through this point P, after confirming the coordinates of point P, it is given that we need to know the equation of the line that is passing through P and cuts equal y-intercept as that of its x-intercept. So any line will pass through P, means x-intercept of the line will be 4 only, because P is a point on x-axis. Being P is a point on x-axis, so a line passing through the x-axis will be the point, the distance of the point from origin will be x-intercept. So that's why the required line can be either this one. The required line means it can be like this. The line which is, if its x-intercept is 4, then corresponding y-intercept should also be 4 as per the condition suggested. Or there can be one more possibility, that another line passing through P and having equal y-intercept, so it can cut the y-axis at negative y portion at Q dash. So that means, according to question, there are two possibilities that two such lines can be passing through the point P, which will be cutting y-axis as positive y at Q or at negative y-axis at Q dash. But both in these two cases, this y-intercept length will be equal, right? So that means equation of the required line, either it is PQ or PQ dash is concerned, we have got the y-intercept value now. And then we have to confirm the slope of the line. So slope intercept form can help us to write down the equation. Whenever we know that the straight lines intercepted portions, straight line makes equal x and y intercept, means these two angles both must be 45 degree. If these angles are 45 degree, then this is 135. So for PQ, slope deciding angle will be 135. So we can write down equation of line PQ. Equation of line PQ is y is equal to tan 135, that is slope, into x plus c. C is 4. y is equal to mx plus c form, right? So tan 135, the value of tan 135 will be how much? Minus 1. So it is y is equal to minus x plus 4. This will be one line as PQ. This will be one out of the two possible lines. One is PQ, whose equation will be y equals to minus x plus 4. On the other hand, and another line PQ dash, another line PQ dash is, that can again be written y is equal to, but for this line again, this is 45 degree, this is 45 degree, so this angle will be 45, so slope deciding angle for PQ dash, it will be 45, so I can write down y is equal to tan 45 into x minus 4, this time y-intercept will be negative, this time y-intercept will be negative, that's why it is minus 4. So second possible equation is y is equal to x minus 4. So yes, these are the two possible equations of the line passing through P, makes both x and y intercepts are equal. Are you getting it?